New from Beyond Dental and Health, the White Spa Polis Power Whitening System. The future of aesthetic teeth whitening for the beauty industry has arrived. Feature-packed with multiple treatment settings, an intuitive control panel, and powerful light bridge whitening technology. The multi-directional lamp head allows for perfect positioning with every client, while the radial arm boasts a 360-degree range of motion. With 3 different light output settings and dual arch and single tooth whitening options, White Spa Polis treatments can be tailored to meet individual whitening needs. Beyond's innovative light bridge technology combines powerful halogen and LED lights to produce an intense, effective, and safe light output, while an advanced light filtration system with over 150,000 optical fibers filters out all harmful heat and ultraviolet light.